Yeah, I'm on my return from pretty much the highest point I've been today, which is somewhere below the tree line. My goal was to get to the ridge, which is visible over there. Unfortunately, my three partners decided to go down, so I got no choice but to follow them. I mean, they decided to push very fast, and of course they sweat and they get cold, and now they are running back. This terrain is pretty much like here. I took my snowshoes off. It's impossible to go down with snowshoes. You just fall over and risk to break my legs. Used to be a forest fire a few years back here, and all the logs are falling down. It's like this all the way to the highway, which is over there. Of course, I gotta descend a little to the right. So yeah, it's a brutal descent in very deep snow, and still walkable, luckily, but with snowshoes it's impossible. On the descent, on the way up only with snowshoes. This was it for now.